all those rocks into that bucket. It's a good hour job. I have these TOUGHBUILT gel fit rocker knee pads and SnapShells. These are some seriously heavy duty knee pads. There are some instructions that shows you how to snap them on, snap them off. It shows you using your thumb. Like I said, I prefer to use the whole hand of mine. It goes on a lot easier. Easy to put these on. This brand, this model rather, TOUGHBUILT, for hard, rough, and uneven surfaces. Because this is slippery, you may not want to put it on a slippery surface because your leg is probably going to slide in it. My use is going to be outside work, moving rocks and so forth. I've got a hard shell on the outside, nice strap that goes around the back of the knee with a little pull loop to tie it on. I'll put them on in a second. But what's really interesting about these, it's got a nice gel inside. And these snap in here so you can pull these apart. Oh, there you go. You get one and it starts moving. There you go. There's the shell. It's got a little sort of lever effect to it where you can rock in it. But this is what's really amazing. This feels excellent on the legs. It's a soft gel. And you can take these out, clean them, and you can replace these. So this is a modular system to be able to put different types of liners inside of these. Let's put the shell back on top of the gel. So to put it back, you line up this little button here and squeeze it. Takes a little effort. I actually like to put it down on the table and just push it like that. Get the other side. Line it up. Two of them. Oh, one more. There you go. Push them with a part of your hand, your knuckles. Okay, I don't think these do anything, just where they came assembled. I had a little tie wrap between these two top pieces. Let's try them on. Snap it around, just pull it on. So it seems like there's a lot of gap here. Then I'm going to show you when I go down. That's actually going to be pretty comfortable when you go on the ground or in the rocks. But what I like about this is it's sort of wide back here. It's right above the calf muscle in the back of the knee. So it's not uncomfortable. And I don't really like the ones that have two straps on them because they're always moving incorrectly. This other one on. There you go. I'm just going to demonstrate them on this floor, although I'm going to use them outside, and they're not meant for tile slippery, but oh my gosh, they are so cushiony inside. That gel is soft. Let's see if I can go down harder on them. Oh, that's really nice. They feel fantastic. All right, one more time. Let me put this back on here. This side lined up. Beauties. Got nice knee pads. I don't think I've had any this nice before. Going to get a lot of use outside. This is how I like to downspouts. big rock in the middle and smaller rocks on the outside. Allow some of the water to sit inside, some to come out. That's version maybe 10. This is an earlier version for this downspout. The problem is that they're underneath the oak trees and they fall down everywhere, and it just builds up over time. So I need to remove all these rocks, put some larger rocks in here. Here's something I bet you never try. Put these knee pads on. Watch this. Just fall down right on those knees. That gel is everywhere. Check that out. I'll never do that before. Got a nice hinge. Makes coming up and down on them. They're not binding at all. Okay. You guys are welcome to help. Watch this. No pain, no gain. Get that rocker motion. Keeps me from getting bound in the back, but gives me a little height off the rocks where the critters are too. I don't know how many times I've redone my flower beds and my gutter downspouts. Hopefully this will last. Nice to have good equipment. Okay, double thumbs up on these knee pads. Soft, good quality, durable, and a dream on my knees. Good product.